These are the speakers I reviewed. They are Papercut 22s. I don't have the greatest mics and whatever, but you can listen. I did a bit of recording. He built it into his car, and there we go. I'm very impressed with the quality of the sound of these speakers. The highs are very good, and the mids are exceptional. Yeah, but you can have a listen for yourself. Also, I don't know if this is correct, but the subwoofer can travel about 11 millimeters in each direction. So yeah, you can have a look how it reacts to the sound. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. I'm gonna play you some slow-mo action of the subwoofer now. Just bear in mind these are brand new speakers, so we're not pushing them too hard.